First of all, we have to select the cable which is compatible with the PLC model. Next, we will select the serial port of the PC, where we have connected the PC to PLC communication cable. Open the Device Manager and open the Ports menu. Here you can see that we have the serial port at COM port 3. Next, we will open the CX Programmer software, go to the PLC menu, and select the serial port. Here, we'll select the serial port number 3. Next, we will click on the Auto Online menu. Software will try to browse the serial port and try all of the serial communication settings to communicate with a connected PLC. Once connected with PLC, it will upload all blocks and logic from the PLC to the PC. PLC will go online and we monitor the logic and trouble if we are facing this problem in the machine operations. Now all the PLC logic and settings are uploaded, we can save as this in a new file to save it for the future troubleshooting.